The Media Cymru Innovation Pipeline's first funding round is now open. I would encourage any creative freelancers and SMEs in the Cardiff Capital Region and wider Wales to consider applying. Our first funding round is seed funding, and that means you can apply for up to £10,000 to develop new products, experiences and services in the media sector. We're particularly interested in projects that consider virtual production, gaming, new forms and ways of creating content, immersive storytelling, bilingual production and new ways of delivering the news. So at Media Cymru, we're particularly interested in innovations that make productions more sustainable, that serve previously underserved audiences, that have international reach and have potential economic benefits. If you have an idea that you want to take from the very early stages through to being fully validated and have 3 to 5 months to do research and development with support from our partners at PDR and the Alacrity Foundation, then this could be for you. If successful, by the end of 5 months, you'll have the foundations of a business plan, a financial forecast and a pitch deck that you can take to investors. You may also be eligible to apply for up to £50,000 of Media Cymru development funding. Applications close at noon on Friday 17th of February and applications can be completed through the Media Cymru website.